Mheshimiwa Karen Magara twatebire nga motion yoyo iga umuswado yoretwa ase floor ye nyumba ya Kisii Assembly gochitore korigereri na amang'ana aya asobwagare nande nintagete goteba nga noene public gochire ko ba allowed koenana ama suggestions chiabo una bararora amang'ana aya iga arengete umuseke mona nande togoteba nga togochikoba very objective yanto gochikorigereri eng'ane yeiga esengencho neng'ane bwato bolito mono igo togochikorigereri tokore amang'ana aya iga une katiba ya Kenya erato guide ne standing orders ya county assembly ne county act so togochikorigereri ebintu byonsi nande twabasabire nga tonyoro bororo so that is sengenche kerenge kenene kieng'ane yeiga no ko ensure nga services abantu ba Kisii County bakoreirwe gasi engia erinde keroto gotara iskari na intutosiku twabata iramaya. The process is going to be very objective, transparent and respect for the law kiagra nonya no you the accused which are one opportunity gocha kuetetea akane gosancherane amagosa yo then the house will have to wake kura twabata iramaya. And the process here, I want to emphasize it was very transparent. Yani to go to wazi. Kero monto na ubosibole no na mangana mora atake ko manyabune public mora allowed within the law. Ko yasabanga ebintu biga mu arete na intu ya to